Welcome to my first brackets tutorial. I'm going to make an entire playlist for it. It's the code editor that I'm going to use for my coding projects, at least the ones that I'm going to create from now on. So you may want to use the same. You can download it right here for free, brackets.io. And the first tutorial I wanted to make about changing the language, because it's for some reason right here under debug. There you'll find switch language. So you would assume it's under help, file edit maybe, but not debug. But there it is. Just click on it, use the drop down here. And when you have found the language that you want to use, just reload brackets. I'll stick to English US. And this is what I'm going to use for my brackets tutorials and also my coding tutorials from now on. So if you want to have it exactly the same as I have in my videos, make sure you've got English US. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.